Hello students, welcome to BDS channel classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about measurement. Okay, that is the 10th chapter of your science. This is the measurement. Measurement means mapan. Dear students, as you know that in measurement we have requirement of the unit of that particular quantity which we want to measure. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम जिस भी क्वांटिटी को मापने जा रहे हैं, जिस भी राशि को मापने जा रहे हैं, उसको मापने से पहले हमें उसके यूनिट के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज यूनिट्स आर द थिंग which help in the measurement of the quantities. Suppose you know that there are following 7 physical quantity and their units. So these are as follows. The quantities, physical quantities are mass, distance, temperature, time, current, luminous, intensity and amount of substance. Okay, these are the 7 quantities and these have also their units. The unit of mass is kilogram, represented by kg, kilogram. Symbol is kg. Distance, meter. Symbol is small m. Temperature, Kelvin. Symbol is K. Time, second. Symbol is S. Current, ampere. Symbol is A. Luminous intensity, candela. Symbol is CD. And amount of substance, mole. Symbol is also mole. So these are the unit that helps in measurement of the quantities. So let's be see that how these quantities help in measurement of the physical quantities. That is, suppose that if we want to measure distance, okay, distance, okay, suppose that the distance between of your house and school is 5 kilometer, because distance is the quantity that is measured by you in meter or kilometer. So the distance of your house and school is 15 kilometer or 15,000 meter. Oh, okay. So this distance in between to your house and school is measured in kilometer or meter. That is the unit of the distance. जो क्या है, डिस्टेंस का यूनिट है. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू बाई vegetables, if you want to buy vegetables then you say the shopkeeper that give me 10 kg टोमेटो। आप दुकानदार से क्या कहते हो कि हमको 10 किलोग्राम क्या दे दीजिए, टोमेटो दे दीजिए। तो किलोग्राम इज द यूनिट ऑफ द मास ऑफ द टोमेटो। यू डोंट से प्लीज गिव मी 10 टोमेटो, हमको 10 टमाटर दे दिए। दिस इज नॉट अ कंप्लीट सेंस। यू से गिव मी 1 kg टोमेटो, 2 kg टोमेटो, हाफ kg टोमेटो, 500 ग्राम टोमेटो। ओके, सो ओवरऑल यू कैन से दैट बी uses the unit of the quantities in measurement of their measurement. Okay, suppose that Ram went 10 kilometer, sorry, Ram went 5 kilometer from their house and turned to go 3 kilometer to reach their office. Okay, राम अपने घर से 5 किलोमीटर चल के लेफ्ट टर्न मार के, लेफ्ट मुड़ करके 3 किलोमीटर चलता है और अपने ऑफिस पहुंच जाता है। सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन हाउस ऑफ द राम एंड देयर ऑफिस। तो अगर यदि राम 5 किलोमीटर चल के लेफ्ट मुड़ के 10 किलोमीटर 3 किलोमीटर चल के अपने ऑफिस पहुंचता है, तो उसके घर और ऑफिस के बीच की दूरी क्या है? तो हमको क्या मेजर करना है? दिस डिस्टेंस, इस दूरी को हमको मेजर करना है। ओके, एंड यू नो दैट द डिस्टेंस इन बिटवीन राम्स हाउस एंड देयर ऑफिस इज AC is equal to BC square root BC square plus AB square. This is the formula that you apply to finding the distance between house of Ram and their office. So AC is equal to root 5 square plus 3 square is equal to under root 25 plus 9. This is equal to 33. Okay, if we go, we find out the under root of the 33, then we obtained 5.25. 5 point something kilometer. Okay, 5 point something kilometer. And if we say what is the distance traveled by Ram, then the distance traveled by Ram is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 किलोमीटर। तो राम कितना दूरी चलता है? 8 किलोमीटर दूरी तय करता है, बट उसके घर से उसके ऑफिस की दूरी लगभग 5 किलोमीटर से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है। ओके, सो दीज डिस्टेंसेस आर मेजर्ड बाय द यूनिट्स and their magnitude. So I hope that all of you understood that how can be measured the quantities with the help of their units. And there are some devices are formed at this time to measure the distances, such as the vernier calipers, tape, scales, etc. Okay, and we can see the reading of these instrument and measure the class or distance of the rooms or other places. So I hope that all of you understood about the measurement. Thank you. Have a nice day.